millions watching around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Frank Bruno had his dream night at the Old. A 20-year plus pro career. Enter Dr. Steve.